What's going on, guys? Vegan Mechanic here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to touch on something I see a lot in these groups that I'm in. I'm in like beginner vegan groups and all these different type of vegan groups, and I keep seeing people make the same mistake time and time again, and I'm just like, bro, no one's telling these people. So today I'm gonna show you 5 brands that you want to be careful with. I can't really say stay away because they have vegan options and vegetarian options, but for the vast majority of the stuff it's going to be vegetarian, so you're going to want to steer clear. Alright, so stay tuned and I'm about to drop it now. The first product that I want to say to steer clear of, I want you to take a look at the Corn brand, or Q-Orn. I'm not quite freaking sure how to say this brand, but this brand shows a lot of stuff where they say meatless and soy free, so the average vegan or vegan prospect will see this product and pick it up and say, hey, this has to be vegan. So they won't even look at the back, won't give it a second thought. You throw it in your cart and you're out the store, and then before you know it, either you post this online and tell people what you made, or you never post it at all. You get home and you look at the box and you realize, hey, it's not vegan. You're like, oh crap. I was actually one of the people that did that, and I turned around and I just happened to be reading the ingredients, and I seen that it had egg whites in it. I was like, come on, give me a break. So that's one that you want to stay away. And number 2, these veggie tots. They show like a lot of different type of veggie tots. Most people would think in the name veggie tot, this just has to be vegetables. You're wrong. It has milk and eggs in it. That's going to be one of the products that you're going to want to stay away from. Be careful. Be extra careful, because that is going to get you every time. Hat on. So, number 3, you're going to want to watch out for Morningstar. Morningstar products. It says right on the front label, some will say 100% vegan, or some will say 100% vegetarian. That's going to be some products that you're going to want to steer clear of, or be careful, because all their products aren't vegan. A lot of them have egg whites or milk or both. Okay, coming in at number 4, what you're going to want to also take a look at is are your croutons. A lot of the croutons, most people don't give it a second thought. They say, hey, croutons, just bread, can't be not vegan. But guess what? Yep, they found a way to sneak milk and eggs into this product. So you're gonna want to be careful about that. Sorry, excuse me. And then last but not least, number 5. Your breads. You're gonna want to watch out for your breads. Some of your potato breads, different brand breads, they'll have milk and eggs in the ingredients. And I know you want to stay on your cruelty free or just stay vegan. You're gonna want to watch your breads a lot, because a lot of them are riddled with milk or eggs or even honey. There's a lot more products that I didn't cover. There's a real good way to steer clear of a lot of products that aren't vegan. That'll be coming up in my next video of how to steer clear of non-vegan products just using your smartphone. So be sure to watch for that. Wait for that next video. It'll be coming up shortly. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm the Vegan Mechanic. If you're new here, like, subscribe, drop some comments on why I suck or why I'm, the best. If not, just love me. Peace out, guys.